Hey guys, what's up? And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a YouTube Endslate. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to go to Fonto. And then you're going to press the camera. You're going to press play an image. You can pick any of the images that you want, but I recommend the white one. Then you're going to press the top where it says 2048 times 2048. And then you're going to do iPhone 7/6S6. Then what you're going to do is you're going to tap the color, where it says color. You're going to tap the three lines by the white, where it says empty. You're going to pick any of these patterns that you want. I recommend picking one like that's the color of your channel, because I feel like that would work better. So my color channel is about this color. I'm going to press apply. You're going to press this button, and you're going to press use and save. And then you're going to add text. You're going to do last video. And then you can change the fonts if you want to. You know, you can change it to any type that you want. And then you're gonna do the stroke to like a 10. And then you're gonna do style, whatever. You can do a shadow if you want to. You can do that if you want. You're gonna make that about this big. And then you're gonna press the three lines. You're gonna do add image. And then you're gonna go all the way up. Or you're gonna download like a computer or something.
This is my image. This is mine. Don't take mine. I'm on this one.
And that's basically it. And then you're gonna save this image. You're gonna exit off Monto. You're gonna go into Cut Pro. Cut Pro. Doesn't do create. And press done. And press the plus. And press photo. Depends how long you want your end slate to be. I want my end slate to be about 15 seconds long. And then you're gonna choose the and then now you're gonna split that part to however long you want it to be. And then yeah. So then you're going to make it about the size that you want it, so it can kind of like fit the screen. I don't know. And then you're gonna make it about that small. You're gonna move it about down here. And then you're gonna put that there. I'm gonna press that in, and then you're gonna make the photo one about as long as
That's my hammer.
the video. And then you're gonna press that. And then there you guys go. That is how you make it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it helped you with your other videos. And yeah. Bye.